Let's check out the battery replacement procedure of the all-new Thar's RKE remote. Open the flip key. Then open the key fob cover. Using a pin, gently remove the battery. Let's discuss the fitment procedure of the CR2032 battery in the all-new Thar's remote. That's the battery fitment slot. The plus sign of the battery should be facing up. You gotta slide the battery from back to front. The front end dips first and the rear end needs to be raised while inserting the battery. That's the properly fitted battery with the plus sign facing up. Now let's actually fit the battery. As discussed, while inserting the new battery, slide it from back towards the front and then put back the key fob cover. Job done.